Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing on this extra long wrench set from DuraTech. This is the metric sizes and this is the SAE sizes. The model number for metric is that, and this has 6 pieces. The SAE size comes in a tray, foam tray, and it's 5 pieces, and the model number is that one. The metric sizes, this was like $66 and this was $60 from Amazon. I'm not sure why this doesn't have a tray or why this one does, but yeah, this one has a tray, this one doesn't, and it was kind of going to make me buy a different brand just because of that, but I changed my mind because the other brand only has this long set that I wanted, not everything else, so I wanted to stick with one brand. So I went ahead and purchased this. So as you can see, they are extra long. And they give you a brochure like all the other ones that we've unboxed already. There is multiple different options and more options on this side. Okay, so I put this here. And there is a card here about thank you for being a customer and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll take this box away and take this out of the box. Okay, so this is how it goes. Same brochure with the other one. Okay. I wish this other one had a tray too, but it doesn't. So this is what comes with the metric one, just a piece of paper, and it tells you some information here, probably same information on that one. So it says drop forged 72 tooth mechanism for the ratcheting part, and it says a 12-point box ends. It's flexible head, and it has a bonus pouch that I'm not going to be using, and visibility, it is stamp marked. Alright, and on the SAE one with the tray, same information. This says lifetime warranty. This one does as well. I already had a chance to test their warranty with one of the other sets I had, and they said they are sending me a replacement. I don't know if they are sending me a replacement for just that one wrench or the whole set. I haven't gotten it yet, but that's good of them to respond back quickly and resolve the issue. Okay, on the back of this you've got some information here about contact and stuff. EVA foam tray, which is that. Fully polished flex head. It goes 180 degrees at any interval, and extra long ratchet handle. So it's pretty cool. It looks like someone took this out already. Was it switched? No, it's not switched. That's weird. Yeah. I guess they stamped it the wrong way. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe this is like a repaired piece. This side is very, very loose. And this one is very stiff. It's very stiff. And I have, I see hand marks on all over it. So this one looks better. This one also has a lot of hand marks on it. I think this is maybe just a return and they packaged it. Don't know. Yeah, but the flexible head is pretty good. It feels good. And it's weird that the name is going to be upside down when they are inserted. That's weird. Somebody didn't pay attention to that. And this is very loose. Alright, so I apologize for some reason the video stopped at minute 6:58 last clip, which I did in the morning a few days ago. I just realized it got cut off, so I'm just gonna continue from that point, which I was going to check this smaller one here. This is the 1132 516 this is a bit loose, this is a stiff, but this is loose and nothing is grinding, it's just loose, so it is fine. I don't think it's to the point of to worry about. When you do this and it's not moving by itself, that probably means fine. What is annoying me is the cutout on the tray and the marking makes this upside down. So if I put this like that, it's upside down. The writing is upside down, the measurements, and if you flip it, the same thing. So somebody didn't pay attention to the tray itself. If these were swapped, then you can put it like this, or the thing is just wrong stamped. I don't know if DuraTech is watching. This is annoying to many people, including myself, that you want things to be proper. So this sitting in the tray like that is upside down. Why would you do that? Why not do it like this? When you flip it, it's like this. So either the tray or these need to be swapped, but I suspect the tray is easier. It's a matter of changing the design on the thing they use. Anyway, also I'm not sure why they are all dirty. They could be wiped with something. I could do that myself, but I'm saying, like, from the factory, perhaps wipe them clean before you put them in the package and package them. Just my opinion. It doesn't impact the durability of the product though. Okay, so let's move this to the side here. That was the SAE model, and here is the metric. SAE comes with only 5 pieces. Let me move this to the side here. Okay, so here is the metric. It has this pouch included. Okay, let's flip the pouch. I also see already the hand dirty oils on it. See, it's already dirty. So somebody didn't really pay attention at the factory or the packaging place, packaging facility. It's fine. I can wipe them clean. It's just annoying. All right, so this is the 19 millimeter on this end, and this is the 17 millimeter on this other end. This is looser than actually both are the same. They're both the same. Look how dirty that thing is, man. Hold on 1 second. All right, so I went and got this, and it is a shop towel. You could spray here and wipe, or spray on the tool and wipe. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look, clean and shiny. Okay, not dirty. Okay, I just wanted to do that on this one. Okay, so this was excuse me, this was the 19 millimeter and 17. Put this here. This is the 18 and 16. Good, good. This is very loose. Yeah, this one very loose. I may need to ask for a replacement or just replace the whole set. This mechanism is also loose. This gear thing is like gonna come out. Very loose. Yeah, you see that? Very loose. Yeah. Unlike these other ones, this one is like going to fall out. The mechanism itself. Okay. And I hope these are not used, man. So both of these are good. Mechanism is good. So far is only this what is that? 15 millimeter that is loose. This one is good. This one is loose, but not so much. Mechanism box is good. This one is this side is good. Yeah, this one is good too. Yeah, only the 15 seems this may need to be replaced. It's very loose, that's one, and two, the mechanism itself is like wobbly, unlike these other ones. This one here is solid. It's not supposed to be moving. Yeah. Alright, so I'll contact them. They've been very helpful with the previous contact regarding the S style wrenches that at least one of them had an issue. So I'll contact them and see what they tell me. Alright, so what we will do next is just a quick measurement. We'll do measurements on these, see how long they are. Okay, so the biggest one is 16 inches long, which is the 19 and 17, and this one is 18 and 16, and that is slightly shorter than 16 inches. This one is 15 and 14, that is 14 inches. This one is 13 and 12 millimeter, and it's like 12.5 inches long. Okay. And this one is 11 and 10, and it is 11.5 inches long. And the 8 and 9 millimeter is a little bit above 9 inches long. So that's for the metric sizes. I suspect the SAE will be similar. Okay. Alright, so the 3/16 and 3/4 is 17 inches long. That's even longer than this one. Yeah, it's 1 inch longer. Okay. 11/16 and 5/8 is a little bit less than 16 inches in length. And 9/16.5 inch is 13.5 inch long. 7/16 and 3/8 is 11.5 inch long. And the smallest one, 11/32 and 5/16 is a little bit above 9 inches. Yeah. All right, so that is it, guys. Just wanted to show these two sets, the extra long ones from DuraTech. What we will do soon is I'm going to contact the company and let them know about the 15 millimeter head here. That is, this mechanism is wobbly and this is very loose, so I'll see if they can replace this one. I can send this one back to them if they want to, or I can just send the whole set back and get a replacement, but who knows if the replacement will be the same. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and if you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.